Hello, everybody.
Thursday.
Yeah, we're a little late. We apologize. There's changing of the guard in our rotary today.
Went a little long.
Yeah.
A couple people cried.
I think Craig just cried.
Yeah.
Did you cry too?
No, he's a couple people.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah,
He's got two names.
Yeah, I'm sure next year I'll have the same
You'll be
emotion.
weepy.
I'll be so weepy that it's so happy to be over.
Exactly. I gladly pass the torch.
That's right. Get out of here. I gotta go.
Yeah.
I can't believe it was a year.
I'll get my life back.
Yeah. Bonds are taking in the shorts today. Rates are up. So everything we gained the last few days is gone today.
Bastards.
And it's let's see here what's going on. Stocks higher, mortgage bonds are sharply lower after some stronger than expected economic data.
What was the data got strong?
My bench press.
Okay.
Yeah.
350.
Yeah. Actually, the most I've ever done is 415 multiple times, including lower claims and stronger than expected GDP. I can't even say it. GDP. There we go. Gross domestic product for quarter one. So they had the final third read of it.
Oh, gotcha.
So the final read for quarter one, that the U.S. grew at 2% annualized rate, and originally it was like only 1%. So the previous reading of 1.3%. which was much stronger than the estimated 1.4%, which is, still lower than 2022 GDP of fourth quarter GDP of 2.6%.
Don't you wonder sometimes why they estimate when they come so far off?
Because they want to mess with the market.
Yeah.
They're doing short plays or whatever. Right.
Yeah.
And then we had pending home sales come out, which measures signed contracts on existing homes.
Okay.
It fell 2.7% in May, which was weaker than estimates of a 0.5% drop. Additionally, April was revised lower by 0.4%. Sales are now down 22% from last year. So that means the sky is falling.
Does it?
No. The lack of signed contract is due to
how do they measure that?
Because it's about inventory.
But how
if you don't have the inventory and you can't sell it.
Right.
And so that's why the numbers are down.
Well, and that's what we've been yelling for 2 years.
It's been a while. It
Yeah.
seems like forever. Yeah. So pending home sales. Then there's an apartment list. National rent showed that rents rose 0.4% in June. I thought they were going down, but they're not. They're flat year over year basis, down from 0.9 in the previous report. So we keep saying rates are going up. They're going to continue to go up. There's just not enough homes, just like there's not enough houses on the market. All right. The other thing that came out today, initial jobless claims, it fell 26,000 to 239,000. So that's people who's been on unemployment for a while.
Right.
Well, you can't stay on it forever, right? They don't say, and when we look back, these people should have fell off because they've been on it for this long. They don't say that. They just look at the number.
Right.
We have the books, How to Lie with Statistics. I'm not saying they're lying here, but it just messes with the market. So they were expecting 260,000 and only came in at 239,000. Is it that big of a deal? Not necessarily. People could have been no longer being able to keep their claims going.
Right.
Right. And that's about all I want to talk about today.
Yeah. Well, all I've got is the same old crap that we talk about all the time. No inventory.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, I know. I did list a piece of property at 1205 Edgebrook for $735. It's really sharp. You get an opportunity to show that. Please show that. Make sure you lock the damn thing up though when you leave, please, and reset the alarm.
Do they not do that?
Oh my God.
Yes, son.
I've already had a call.
Son.
I've already had a call.
You asked.
The house cleaner was there and found the sliding glass door open. Really? Okay.
People. In the continuing claims we were talking about, right?
Yep.
California continuing claims are up 44,000 for the whole state.
Okay.
So there's still people increasing on the continuing in California and Texas and Ohio.
Okay.
So those are I guess California just don't want to work.
Well, no, and they don't have to.
Right.
The government
Stop
will
giving
be
them
there
money,
for their vote. Here's some money. Please vote for us.
Yeah. I'm being live on radio this week, and you're going to be on tonight with me 5 to 6 on 1360 AM.
Really? Today?
Yeah. It's Trevor Carey. Yeah. We're taking over for him. Remember?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Where was I going with that?
I
don't know. I forget where I was going.
Just that's the problem. Talking all kinds of subjects.
Yeah. Well, the Bidenomics and all that kind of stuff yesterday I was going to talk about, and how everything's just so much worse than what you really think it is. And it's not going to get any better until there's change.
And we're going to talk about probates and stuff like that tonight.
Yeah. Right. And I'm going to do a little bit about the reverse mortgage, because for some reason, I think Mike gave me the wrong phone number for the lady who called in asking about it.
Oh,
So,
hopefully she's listening again.
yeah,
tonight.
hopefully. I'm just going to talk a quick, the parameters and quick and be done with it.
Right.
And then we can talk about probate and other stuff that's important. So that's on 1360 AM. Tonight is also concert in the park.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. And so it
There's
starts around 8:00.
2 left, right?
No, it's all the way to, yeah, you're right. Because the 13th is the last one.
Last one, 13th. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So there's 2 left after this.
Correct. That's what you just said. There's 2 more after. I'm counting today as 1, not counting. So there's 3.
3 total.
Yeah.
Today's 1.
So it's usually 6 weeks, and they've been going on for 3 weeks, if I remember right.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay, that was our meeting today.
Yeah.
No,
it was quick.
no, I was because we were talking so long about the concert in the park.
Right.
That was our meeting.
I know.
Yeah, okay.
I know.
Just making sure.
Yeah. Is this a guest speaker? Yes, it is. But we're not going to talk about Ted Kaczynski tonight, right?
No.
Good.
I don't want to talk about him.
No, I don't want to.
CoreLogic, I didn't talk about this, released their loan performance insights for March, showing that loans 30 days or more delinquent increase from 2.6% to 2.8%. Those 90 days or more delinquent increased 1.4 to 1.3%. Right. So it went down. Lastly, the loans and foreclosure were unchanged at 0.3%. So that huge foreclosure wave that we were supposed to get.
And I never believed that we would get it simply because too many people have equity in their home. They still do. So if they can't correct it themselves, they can sell out of it.
Yeah. So
it just doesn't make sense. I never thought we were going to have that huge wave again.
I knew we doing it. We normally have 240 some 240 some thousand to 277 some thousand each year max for foreclosures, and that's all it was. It was just another one of that, and it was not that big of a deal.
Right.
And you're right. They can either sell it or they'll just like, hey, we'll modify this.
We'll modify the loan or refinance the loan out of it.
But
of course, if they're in trouble, they can't refinance.
Yeah, I mean the rates, the bond market did not like this news today. We're down 61 basis points, which is huge numbers, and that's a.
Tell them to turn off the news.
Yeah. The problem is we're so, rates are continuing to move in the wrong direction right now. They suppose they're going to go the other way. Well, we'll see what the numbers are tomorrow with the PCE to see if that does anything. I'm hoping it will, but we really just don't know.
Till tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Right. All right. That's all I have for today.
Me too. I didn't really have anything. I did say a bunch of nonsensical stuff though.
It was very important. It was very important that you said that. So, appreciate that you brought that in with you.
Yep. Well, I'll bring the same stuff with me tomorrow. We'll talk some state numbers tomorrow.
Yeah, I was gonna say do your daily how many.
Yeah, the weekly week ending of.
Yep.
I'll do that tomorrow.
All right, sounds good. And thank you for being here. And thank you for being here.
Thank you for being here. And thank you for being here.
Yeah. And if you like what we do here, the best way to support us is to like our thing here and make a comment or subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Real Estate Jerky. Mine's also Ed Parcaut. And Mike, what's your YouTube channel?
Mike Kelly Realtor.
Okay. There you go.
There.
And thank you guys. Make it a great day. And thanks, Mike.
Thank you, Ed.